Upgrade your cooking and fall in love with cooking with this powerful induction cooker from Zanussi. The ceramic hob can heat more rapidly than solid hot plates and has a sleek surface that's more durable and easier to clean. You can boil water faster and get straight to cooking. 2 oven cavities give you more flexibility when cooking meals. You can cook at 2 different temperatures or use the oven and grill simultaneously. Perfect for cooking a Sunday roast for family and friends. With a large capacity of 39 litres in the top cavity and 77 litres in the bottom, you have a vast amount of room for cooking, so you can enjoy more flexibility when cooking mouth-watering dishes in your kitchen. A perfect fit for any kitchen, this induction cooker from Zanussi has everything you need to cook delicious meals every day.